How to disable Copilot in Windows 11. If you want to disable Copilot in Windows 11, all you have to do is the most common way to do it is just simply uninstall it. Now, what you can do is first you can open up settings, and once you open up settings on the left hand side, you want to simply go to this option that says personalization. And once you go to personalization, all you have to do from personalization is to simply scroll down to taskbar, and once you scroll down to taskbar, right over here, you'll find the option to disable Copilot. Now, another way to do it is to simply open up Copilot right over here. And then when you search for Copilot, you can right click on it and just click the uninstall button. When you uninstall it, all of the features of Copilot will also be removed. As a result, it will also get disabled. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.